Penalties. That's the legal implication of transferring ownership to family members or transferring assets into an irrevocable trust. Medicaid has penalties that disqualify you for Medicaid eligibility for a period of time, currently 5 years. That law could change without any notice to 10 years or more. That's the penalty for giving up ownership. And the biggest legal implication is that you don't have to give up ownership of many types of very commonly owned assets. Things like your home is already protected because it is your home as long as you don't ever change title where you give up ownership. If you change title to your home by putting it in your kids' names, then there is a penalty, and that penalty could lead to Medicaid ineligibility. If you take your home and you put it into an irrevocable trust, there could be negative penalties such as Medicaid ineligibility. There's other legal implications as well. There's adverse tax consequences to you and to your future beneficiaries that you don't get if you keep ownership during your lifetime and let those beneficiaries receive things at your death. There's asset protection consequences. If you take your home and you put it in your children's names and something happens to that child, their creditors could reach your asset because you've given up ownership. So the correct way to protect assets is focus on what type of assets you have. And remember, things like your home, retirement accounts, joint bank accounts for married couples up to the current limit of $155,000, term life insurance policy, automobiles, and personal effects are all protected as long as you keep ownership. So focus on the type of assets you have, focus on keeping ownership, don't give up ownership, and focus on keeping access for yourself and providing access to others in the future. That's the correct way.